Guys, today in this video going to show you how to restart computer using keyboard shortcut on Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to restart computer using keyboard shortcut on Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Open on screen keyboard. After click on star plus X U R, that is. So guys, if you want to restart computer using keyboard shortcut on Windows 10, so very easy. Firstly click on star plus X plus U and R, that is. So this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.